Question number 1.
Another word that means the same as under is below.
Question number 2.
Another word that means next to is beside.
Question number 3.
When you get to 3rd Street, don't turn right. Turn left.
Question number 4.
After I said goodbye to my sister, I walked away from her.
Question number 5.
My friends are from Japan. They live in Tokyo.
Question number 6.
Every morning I get on a bus to go to school.
Question number 7.
The letter B is between the letter A and the letter C.
Question number 8.
I dropped my book on the floor, and I didn't pick it up. It's under the table.
Question number 9.
There is a ball in the middle of the road. Everyone is driving around it.
Question number 10.
We walked into the library and sat down to study.
Question number 11.
After we studied for the test, we walked out of the library to go home.
Question number 12.
Another word that means over is above.
Question number 13.
Be careful when you're on the bridge. Don't fall into the water.
Question number 14.
Last month we traveled to Australia. We flew from Barcelona to Sydney.
Question number 15.
They didn't turn left, and they didn't turn right. They walked straight.
Question number 16.
I saw my friend walking toward me, and I said, "Hello."